Want to download and install the Temu Shopping app but not sure how? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to download and install the Temu Shopping app on your device. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your device. Look for the search bar at the top of your screen and type in Temu App. Tap the search icon at the bottom right corner. From the search results, tap on Temu Shop Like a Billionaire. Next, tap on the Install button. Once the installation is complete, tap on Open to get started with the Temu app. Since I have a Xiaomi scanner on my phone, it has scanned the app for me. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Temu Shopping app on your device. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.